So hello guys, this is part 6 of our economy series. If you have not seen the last 5 parts, then first go and watch it, and in this video, we are going to create a Coinflip command so that users can win coins by gambling. If you want the code of this video or any video or full playlist of mine, then you can visit my Patreon and become our member. If you are become our member, then you will get a lot of benefits. You will get access to Discord and source code of premium channels. You will get premium role and many more. And I have managed everything well on the Patreon. The collection has also been created, so you can also access the entire collection. Hey friends, if you enjoy my content and want to stay updated with all my latest videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Your support means a lot to me and helps me grow. Thank you.